Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can create a story on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Facebook, and when you're going to be here, let's click here, create a story. And now you have option to share a photo, or you can add a text, music, mood, selfie, poll. You can have really option which one you actually want. I can go with a photo from here. And now I can change the privacy to public, friends, or custom. Can go with custom, like who can only see it. That's this is the first way how you can do it. And then what you can do, you can add heart here. Then you can add some stickers if you want on the right top corner. Then you can have text here. You can make it also bigger by just pressing both fingers on it. And then you have you can write and also play around it. And then you have the last thing is that you can add some filters here, right? So this is how you can easily do it. And this is how you can share a photo, discard photo. Then you can create a music here that you can add, or boomerang, or mood, or create a poll. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and then you just press done and send it. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.